Unraveling the Meaning of Revisions, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the term revisions. This is a word you might have come across in different contexts. And today, we are going to dive deep into what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations and writing. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. First off, let's break down the word. Revisions is the plural form of revision, which comes from the Latin word revisere, meaning to look at or to see again. In English, when we talk about revisions, we are referring to the act of reviewing, editing, or reworking something that has already been written or created. You might encounter the term revisions in various settings, but it is most commonly used in the academic and professional world. For example, if you are a student, your teacher might ask you to make revisions to your essay after giving it an initial read. This means they want you to go back, review your work, and make necessary changes to improve it. In a professional setting, your boss or colleague might request revisions on a report, proposal, or any other document. This again means that they want you to take another look at your work, identify any areas of improvement, and make the necessary changes. Revisions are crucial because they help ensure that your work is of the highest possible quality. When you revise your work, you have the opportunity to catch any mistakes, clarify any unclear points, and strengthen your arguments or ideas. It is a chance to refine and polish your work, making sure that it effectively communicates what you intend to say. Making effective revisions requires a critical eye and attention to detail. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your revision process. 1. Take a break. Before revising your work, take a break from it. This helps you to come back with a fresh pair of eyes and a clearer perspective. 2. Read aloud. Reading your work aloud can help you catch mistakes and identify parts that might need clarification. 3. Focus on structure. Ensure that your work has a clear and logical structure. Each paragraph should have a clear main idea and provide supporting evidence. 4. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from teachers, peers, or colleagues. They can provide valuable insights that can help improve your work. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the term revisions. We hope that this video has helped clarify what revisions are and why they are so important, especially in academic and professional settings. Remember, making revisions is a critical part of the writing process, and it helps to enhance the quality of your work. So, embrace the revision process, and you will see a significant improvement in your writing skills. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning videos. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.